Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the SHIB update today. I am gonna kill the zero. It's only a matter of time. Do you want me to kill the zero? Come on, yeah. Come on, man. Just like this video. And honestly, if this video gets 200 likes, then understand that I'm about to kill the zero, okay? Get it to 200 likes. Follow this channel if you're new because you may never see this channel again. And keep watching SHIB updates because I'm about to create history in the next coming months. I'm going to kill the zero for SHIB. All right, it's been a long time. I've made you wait, and finally Adam will kill the zero. Okay, now here we are with the SHIB at the moment, and I kind of see SHIB doing something like a sideways continuation here. Now we may actually expect some pennant in the making right over there. Do you see that? So I do believe that SHIB is having this move up like that, and we do have some lower. I think this could be actually better on the 1 hour time frame. So we can expect that a triangle is being printed out something like this. And before I show you one free coin that you can actually probably trade in the future, I want to take you back to the 4 hour time frame and back to history when I used to do SHIB updates, and we saw very similar situation. So a pump up and a triangle formation. I'm going to show you what SHIB actually did back in the days. So here it is, okay? So all we saw is, again, the very same move. Do you see that? A push to the upside, a move down, a sideways consolidation for some few days, of course. Now, how many days did you consolidate? From 7 October, actually 21 of October, all the way to, no, this was actually 7th of October, all the way to 18th of October. So we started pumping at 23, so we're talking about how many days of this? 13 and 16 days. Okay, so after 16 days of consolidation, we saw another leg to the upside, and that's where we actually went all the way up to 8,000. But this time, do expect, if history does repeat, we can actually see more 16 days. If you go back and push to the history and the current time, we're doing the very same thing, isn't it? Where you actually push up like this, came down, and we could actually expect another sideways continuation until we don't see SHIB once again popping up and come into 6,255, which is your next technical target, and eventually go up to 8,000, and finally I'm going to kill the zero. So do make sure that if you like what you're hearing, if your ears are actually, if my voice is too sweet based on what you're hearing, do like the video. Now the thing is that I'm gonna go on and tell you one coin which is down for a bear market shop, and for that one I'm going to show you some few slides over here. So this was Pepe. Pepe had your accumulation before it actually pushed up. We saw ICP with accumulation before it actually pushed. We saw Bonk with accumulation and then it pushed. We saw Dogecoin and then it pushed. SHIB and then it pushed. Now all of this coin that I told you did at least 2x. We're talking about 100% double money, okay? And some of them did 10x, 15x. Pepe has done 5x. SHIB has done almost like 3x. Dogecoin has done like almost another 2x. So this right over here has not moved for the past 1.5 years. So it's actually there for you to get. It's still cheap, and I don't want it to pump, and I don't want you to miss this thing. So all you have to do is scroll down to get it for free. Click on Discord and click on my name, click on announcement, click on my name and message me over there. So I'm going to see you in the next one, Lafis.